welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Bhavya, your favorite fashion girly. I know आप लोग को मेरे try on fashion hauls सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. So I'm back with another one. Today I've got some very cute Pinteresty going out tops all under ₹1000. I literally have so many tops here. मुझे ऐसे लगने लग गया था मेरे पास तो outfits ही खत्म हो गए. Every time I look in my wardrobe, I'm like कुछ नया नहीं है पहनने के लिए. Everything look like same, repetitive, boring. So I'm on a hunt for like good pretty tops which are also super comfortable. Few years ago I was very okay wearing uncomfortable tops in name of fashion, but now it's not like that anymore. I've become very much like no, I will not wear it. If it's not comfy, I will not wear it. Yeah, I've just become that girl जिसको बहुत ही soft कपड़े पहनने हैं, जिसे बहुत comfortable कपड़े पहनने हैं. But again, I'm not ready to compromise with my looks and fashion and all that. So yeah, I've got some very cute top recommendations for you all. Without further ado, let's get into it. Starting with my favorite top, the one that I'm wearing right now. It's so cute and Pinteresty. It's giving soft girl cottage core vibes, which I love, and you guys know that. टाइप की टॉप्स बहुत बार ट्राई की हुई है, ऐसे जो बो नॉट वाली टॉप्स होती है, and every time it just ends up looking ridiculous on me because I am a little big girl. Like I'm a mid-size girly, I'm slightly busty और थोड़ी सी मोटू भी हूँ. A lot of these tops are just fitting so bad कि यहाँ से इतने बड़े बड़े loops दिखते हैं between the knots that I end up wearing like a tube top or something inside, and then it just doesn't look the same. Like वो vibes ही नहीं आती है, but this one fits perfectly. ये summers तो मैं ये टॉप बहुत ज्यादा पहनने वाली हूँ. Got this top जो मैं हनी सिंह के कॉन्सर्ट में भी पहन के गई थी. Again such a cute adorable piece to have. इसका ना neckline थोड़ा सा weird आया था. पिक्चर में ये ऐसा लग रहा था, but real में ये ऐसा लग रहा था. तो मैंने इसे थोड़ा सा जुगाड़ करके वापस ऐसा बनाया है, and now I love it. It looks so cute. इस पे ना ऐसे थोड़े frill और lacy से details है, which is really nice. और मुझे ऐसे light colors बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है, especially like white and beige kind of shades I love. So this is perfect. This is like off-white kind of shade. So yeah. Then I've got this butter yellow top. Again, very similar vibes, but very different. I love the color. I'm obsessed with butter yellow these days. The top has a very nice texture going on, और इसे side में ruching भी है. तो इसका fit बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. Plus this halter neck detail तो I love. I feel like with these kind of tops जो बहुत basic होते हैं, but you want some wow element in it, that comes either from the color or texture or the neckline. I think it's mainly the cuts and the neckline, and I think it has all of those things. The color is also the perfect shade of butter yellow. Like this kind of yellow you wouldn't want, but this kind of yellow like एकदम ऐसे basic Amazon vibes नहीं आ रही है इससे. A lot of these basic tops sometimes they look like हाँ ये तो 200-300 में Amazon से मिल जाएगी, but this one doesn't have that vibes. I love that again. Then I've got this orange striped top, which is again so cute. I feel like ऐसे colors मेरे skin पे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. I look brighter. It's sleeveless. I love wearing sleeveless tops. If that was not obvious अभी तक, I think all these tops are sleeveless. इसका material भी काफी different है. It has like a very different texture, but it's very light. जब मैंने इसे touch किया था मुझे लगा था oh this I don't want to wear in summers, but when I wore it, it was so comfortable and so nice. Deep back है, and from the front it's like a high neck top, so I love that. और आप इसको ऐसे reverse करके भी पहन सकते हो if that's your vibe. And I think stripes are so iconic. They look amazing. I am in love with this top. By the way, this is not a sponsored video by Savana. Very casually I bought these, but I do have a Savana code which you guys can use to get an extra discount on your purchase. Again मैं सब details description box में डाल दूंगी. Then I've got this black top. ये मुझे उतनी पसंद नहीं आई. Like the material is very okayish, not as good as the others. Neckline is also very okayish. उतनी अच्छी नहीं लग रही है जितनी फोटो में लग रही थी. But I really like that it has these lacy details. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it looks so good. Maybe I could have sized up. इसकी fitting थोड़ी tight है, but most of these kind of tops are like that. It's just that इसका material इतना पतला है ना, तो you can see like my tummy tires and all that. तो इसलिए मुझे उतनी पसंद नहीं आई, but overall it's not bad. I think for the price point it's fine. Then I've got another white top. It's so cute. I love the flower print on it, and I love the peplum detailing on it. It's more like a balloon skirt type of vibe. ऊपर भी there are like pleats and ruching. So overall काफी अच्छा fit है इसका. And if you're somebody who is insecure about their lower belly fat, or feel like they're super busty and want to balance things out, this top is such a good find. This one has these spaghetti straps, तो आप यहाँ पे ऐसे bow बना सकते हो, or you can just like crisscross it, or if you want to wear it like a tube top, you can just tuck it in. So yeah, love that. Then I've got this super basic black and white striped top. I think ये बहुत ज़्यादा cute लग रही है. It's very basic, but this one has this off shoulder kind of detail, which is again really nice fitting wise. It's like super stretchy, so even if you're like broad like me, you don't have to worry. Some of these tops feel super uncomfortable क्योंकि मैं इतनी broad हूँ ना, तो इतना portion cover होने में ऐसा लगता है इतना fabric stretch हो रहा है that I have no mobility. मैं बिल्कुल hands वगैरह move नहीं कर सकती हूँ. So this one doesn't feel like that, so that is a really big plus point. But I do find these kind of tops a little uncomfortable क्योंकि आप अपने हाथ ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो. The whole top rolls up. But either ways, this one is cute. Next top I was so excited about. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे थी, oh my god, this is so cute. It's such a statement top to have. But it's such a disappointment. Oh my god, let me show you. This is like this ruffle kind of thing, but इसके ruffles बहुत weirdly बैठ रहे हैं. So transparent that I can't even wear it on camera. Like पीछे से तो बिल्कुल ही transparent बनी हुई है. In spite of having ruffles, I could completely see my bra. So it was such a bummer. क्योंकि अब इसके अंदर even if I'm wearing like a slip or tube top or anything, it would be visible, and then it won't look as cute and fancy as it looks right now. Very disappointed in this one क्योंकि इसका डिजाइन बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर है और फिटिंग भी इसकी इतनी अच्छी थी, but क्या कर सकते हैं. Okay, that's all the tops that I've got from Savana. Now let me quickly show you everything that I've got from Myntra. दो ही tops है मेरे पास Myntra से. First is this white one again, but this one is so cute. It has these bows on it जो इतने प्यारे लग रहे. It's like subtle but kind of like a statement top, I would say. You can dress it up or down, depends on the occasion. So I think it's very versatile. You can even DIY this top with ribbon and pearls. इसमें ना अंदर ये ऐसे double lining की हुई है for the top half, so your bra lines are not too visible. If you are a flat-chested girly who doesn't like to wear bras a lot, you can totally skip it with this top. Then I got this waistcoat kind of top that has a halter neck, so it looks very cute and it's super modest क्योंकि इसका neckline भी बहुत deep नहीं है. ऐसे बीच में से it's not like a shirt, it's just like a normal top. ये पूरा सिउ हुआ है. Lot of times these waistcoat kind of tops, they just pop open from here, which looks so bad, and I have to like double tape it or sew it sometimes. So this is really good कि पहले से stitch हुआ हुआ है. There is this elastic, so just slide it up. No knots and all that you have to make. Some people I know are very terrified of like knot kind of tops. Like my mom, she would never wear anything that has a knot on it because she's like very paranoid. खुल गया तो, and I'm like नहीं खुलता है ऐसा. If you're one of those kind of people, you do not have to be paranoid with this top. It's super cute. The material is also really nice, and I'm not sure, but this is one of those brands that only uses sustainable fabrics to, you know, make their clothing. So that is really nice as well. I to love it. Moving on, I have got three tops from Zara. First up, I have got this baby pink one because obviously it's pink. It's like super simple, very basic. I love the color, and ये ना ऐसे double lined है, so you won't get too much of those bra lines, and the quality is great. The fabric feels so light and breathable and so soft on the skin, and these kind of tops are like such a must have. So yeah, I bought this in two colors. Again, like I said, I feel like these orangey red bright blue kind of colors look so good on me. And when I touched the fabric, no, I was like ये तो महंगी वाली top होगी, because sometimes Zara पे ऐसे basic tops भी ना 1500-1600 के मिल जाते हैं, and I was like I wouldn't buy that much for such a basic top. It was just for like 850 rupees, so I was like grab, need to have this. This one is such a nice fabric. I love the color. It's like a light gray color. Like gray can look very tacky and cheap, and at the same time gray can look very expensive and polished, and this is that kind of gray shade. I to love this, and the material is again so nice and soft, and it's like super stretchy. Very basic top but good for summers, so yeah, I got this one as well. Plus it's really nice for layering and all. Also good piece to have for a daily wear or like when you're traveling and this that. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really want to do a Q&A video next, so अगर आपके पास कोई भी questions है मेरे लिए about me, my personal life, my work, past, my future plans, anything, drop them in the comment section below. And if you made it this far, comment this emoji so I know you're real. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.